Johnny?
Yes, Papa.
Eating sugar?
No, Papa.
Telling lies?
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. And today, I would like to tell you about how to teach English for young learners using media like this. My name is Sherni Utina. My student number is 1711040152. And I am a student in English Education Department of UIN Raden Intan Lampung. And I want to tell you about how to make this media first.
Clap along.
Just enjoy my video.
Bingo. There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. Oh.
So, before we teach young learner, it will be better if we know about the characteristic about the young learner first. Why I choose apple pocket in here with the full color? Because the young learner will be engaged in our teaching process if we use a media that can interested or interesting for them. Like this. The example, I use the apple because the apple have a red color, and I provide the pocket with the green color because this is to engage my student to enjoy my teaching process. So in here, I provide the spinning wheel too. This is contain of number 1 until 6. So if we learn about the vocabulary, and we can learn too about number in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We can introduce them about the number 2 in here. So it will be better if we know about the characters of about our students too in teaching and learning process. So it can easier for us for teaching them. Okay, in this opportunity, I would like to tell you about teaching vocabulary, especially about fruit in here. So I already provide the flashcard in each pocket in my media in Apple, like this. This is the example. And then before that, I would like to ask my student to spin the spinning wheel. So after they spin the spinning wheel, they will choose what number is that. For example, this is number 1.
3 little
We
kittens.
look for number 1, and we're gonna tell them about the vocabulary they provide in this flashcard, and ask them about the English name about this fruit. Okay, and now I would like to demonstrate how to teach young learners use this media, especially for teaching vocabularies about the fruit. Just enjoy my video.
What?
Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, my students. How are you today? Okay, good. What is that? Why, Yuchia? You have a stomachache? Why you have stomachache? Because you not eat or you not having your breakfast? Okay, just wait, just be patient because after this we will breakfast together, okay? Okay, before we continue our lesson today, I would like to check your attendance list first. Who is not coming today? Oh, Chia, why? Not you? Oh, I think it's you. Danny's not coming? Why Danny's not coming? Oh, he is sick. Oh my god, it's really bad. We hope that he will be better soon, so he will join with us in here, okay? Okay, before we start our study today, it will be better if we pray first. Okay? Pray, start.
What?
Finish. Amin. So, today we will learn about fruit. Who is like fruit in here? All of you like fruit, even me still like fruit. What is your favorite fruit? You like apple? Wow, what is apple in English? Apple. Tried it? Apple. Okay, good. So, Reni, what is your favorite fruit?
You're such good kids.
What is that? Wanaga? What is in English? Dragon fruit. Okay, you already know about that. Give applause. Yay! So today,
We're gonna have such
Miss
fun
already
today
provide
with
about
the finger
pocket in
family.
here, and each pocket, Miss already provide about the flashcard. In flashcard in here, Miss already provide about fruit. So, later you will spin the spinning wheel first. After you spin the spinning wheel, you can choose the number and you can choose the picture or the flashcard, and after that you can mention it in English. Okay, good. Which one want to try this first? Who? Chia? Okay, you can come in. Spin this first. What number is that? 4. Okay, where is number 4? Where? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is number 4. We can choose 1 in here. You got this. What is this? Apple.
Are you
Yes,
ready for
with the red color
Miss
and
Polly
green.
had a
It's
tally?
same like this. Apple. What is apple in English? Apple. Apple. Okay, good. Next, who want to try? Okay, Reni, you can try this to spin this wheel. What number is this? What number? 1, 2,
Miss
3,
Polly had a
4,
tally.
5, and
Six.
6. Okay, where's number 6? You know?
Quick, quick.
Over that. Yeah, this is number 6. Just 1.
And he knocked on the door with the
Wow, what is
rat,
this?
tat, tat.
Jambu. What is jambu in English? What is jambu in English? Guava. Good. Give applause. So, jambu in English is guava. Okay, good. Next, want to try? Who? Okay, just come in. You can spin this wheel. Okay, Dina, spin this wheel. Okay, try this again. No, this is number 5. We already know. Okay, number 5. Choose. Which one is number 5?
Ooh, it's
This one?
Baba
Okay, good. This is number 5. And we should take 1. We have this. What is this in Indonesia? What is this? Ayo, who know about this? Okay, what is this? Nanas. Good. What is nanas in English? Pineapple. What is that? Pineapple. You can try together. Pineapple. Pineapple is nanas. Okay, good. Give applause for us. Yay. Who want to try this again? Just spin this wheel and choose the picture. Okay, Ahmad just come in and you can spin this wheel. You can spin together, okay? What is the number? 2. Okay, number 2. Which one is number 2, Ahmad? 1, 2, 3,
Who's
4,
ready for
5,
Incy
and
Wincy
6. So which one is
Spider?
number 2? This one. Okay, good. You can pick one. What is that? We have this. What is this, Ahmad? Jeruk. Okay, good. This is jeruk in Indonesia. This have a sweet and sour taste. So what is jeruk in English, Ahmad? Do you know? Orange. Oh, good. Orange. You already know about that. So orange is jeruk. Jeruk is, what is that? Orange. Okay, good. Next. Who is next? Who? Okay, just come in. Who want to? Tina. Okay, just come in, Tina, and spin this wheel, okay? Number 4. Number 4. So, Tina, where's number 4? We can count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, which one is number 4? This one? Okay, good. This is number 4. Take one. Yay, we have this. This is, what is this? Pisang. Yes, this is pisang. But in English, what is in English? Banana. Okay, this is banana. Banana Indonesia is pisang. Okay, we can try together. Banana. Okay, good. Next, want to spin this game? This is number 1. We got number 1. So, we can take one in number 1. We have this. What is this? Anggur. Yay! We know about anggur. So, what is anggur in Indonesia? In English? What is that? Grape. Okay, good. Grape. Grape is anggur. We can try together. Grape. Okay, grape is anggur. Okay, good. So, we can spin this again and choose the picture in here. And we can take the picture. Example, we take in number 6. We have this. What is this? Durian. Yes, this durian. Durian is very delicious. What is durian in English? What is that? Durian. Yes, they have the same name in Indonesia in English. Durian. Okay, good. Next is we have number 2. We have this. Who know about this? Alpukat. Yes, this is an alpukat. So what is in English alpukat? Avocado. What is that? Avocado. Okay, good. So, what is the next number? Number 3. Okay, this is number 3 and we can take one. We have this. What is this? Belimbing. Yes, this is belimbing in Indonesia. What is belimbing in English? What is that? The shape is like star. So it's star fruit. Good. This is a star fruit. Indonesia is belimbing. Okay, good. The next is the last number left is number 3. Only number 3. So, wow. What is this? This is like your favorite fruit, right? So what is this? Buah naga. Good. This is buah naga. In English, what is that? Dragon fruit. Okay, good. Give applause for us. Yay. Now we already know about fruit. This can be in our home. Fruit like this. So you already know, right, about the vocabulary about fruit? Now, Miss would like to check your understanding first. Who is know what is apple in English? Who know? Okay, Chia, what is this? What is that? Apple. Good. Yay. Apple. So, apple in English is apple. Next, my second question. What is belimbing in English? Okay, Dina, what is that? Star fruit. Good. Star fruit is belimbing in English. Next, what is strawberry in English? Oh, sorry, it's already in English. So what is pisang in English? Okay, Tia, what is that? Strawberry? No, pisang is not strawberry in English. So what is pisang in English? Banana! Yay, good! Give applause for us! So, that's all about our lesson today. We already learned about vocabulary about fruit. You already know about that, right? So, next week, Miss hope that you know all about the vocabulary about fruit. So, after this, Miss would like to give you homework about fruit, and tomorrow you should bring your favorite fruit in here, and we would like to describe it together. Okay? You know? You understand? Okay, good. Thank you so much for coming today, and we hope that we can meet again and we can learn many things about English. Okay? Okay. So, the last me say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so guys, I already demonstrated about how to teach young learners use this media. I hope that you can use your own way to make a media in your home to teach your children, to teach your sister or brother. Use homemade media. Actually, this is really easy to make, and the material is already in our home or in the market. You can buy that and you can make it in your home and in your own way. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.